How to use the word penetrate in a sentence.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to use the word penetrate in a sentence. Penetrate is a versatile word with various meanings and applications, so let's dive right in and discover how it can be used effectively.
Penetrate in the context of physical objects.
When we talk about penetrate in the context of physical objects, it refers to the action of entering or passing through something. For example, the bullet penetrated the target's armor implies that the bullet successfully passed through the armor and reached its intended target. Similarly, we can say, the needle penetrated the skin, to describe the act of the needle entering the skin during a medical procedure. In both cases, the word penetrate emphasizes the act of passage or entry.
Penetrate in the context of understanding.
Now let's explore how penetrate can be used in the context of understanding or comprehending something deeply. We often use this word when we want to convey the idea of gaining insight or grasping the inner workings of a concept or situation. For instance, "It took me a while to penetrate the complex theories of quantum physics," suggests that understanding quantum physics required significant effort and time. It highlights the process of delving deeply into the subject matter to achieve a comprehensive understanding.
Penetrate in the context of emotions or influence.
Another way to use penetrate is in relation to emotions or influence. It can express the idea of deeply affecting someone's emotions or thoughts. For example, the heartfelt speech penetrated the audience's hearts, indicates that the speech had a profound impact on the emotions of the listeners, touching them deeply. In a different context, we can say, her words failed to penetrate his stubborn mindset, to convey the idea that the person's words had no effect on changing the individual's firmly held beliefs or opinions. In both cases, penetrate captures the concept of making a significant impact or reaching deep within someone's emotions or thoughts. And that wraps up our exploration of how to use the word penetrate in a sentence. Remember, penetrate can be used to describe physical passage through an object, gaining a deep understanding, or having a profound impact on emotions or thoughts. I hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of how to use penetrate effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.